So, you're exploring financial apps and you came across Aven Advisor. In today's video, we're going to cover what Aven Advisor offers and how it works, why Aven Advisor stands out from other financial apps, and possibly most importantly, how you can get free Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts every single week. And before we dive in, big thanks to Aven for continuing to be a sponsor on the channel, supporting the content, and allowing me to provide an unbiased review of the platform. So diving right into things, what is Aven Advisor? Aven Advisor is a free finance app available on both the App Store and Google Play Store, and it provides powerful tools to help you monitor and manage your financial health. Some of the key features of Aven Advisor include instant credit score access, so you're able to view your Vantage Score 4.0 from Equifax, giving you real-time insights into your credit standing, home equity monitoring, which estimates your home's market value and tracks your home equity and how it changes over time. One of my favorites, Subscription Finder, which allows you to identify and manage forgotten recurring payments, saving you money over time. This is something that a lot of people need right now, myself included. Car value tracking, which provides estimates and live updates of the current market value of your vehicle. Neighborhood home sales reports, which allows you to gain access to recent property sales in your area to stay informed and have a better sense of what that means for your property value. Balance and debt tracking, which consolidates all of your credit card balances, total debt, net worth, all in one place. And spending categorization, which allows you to see the top categories and merchants that you're spending on every single month, which can be a bit of a wake-up call. I know for me, it was. I spend a lot more on Amazon than I thought I did, and I spend a lot more eating out than I thought I did. But that aside, you're probably wondering about that free coffee that I mentioned earlier. In my opinion, this is one of the most exciting things that Aven Advisor is offering right now. Not necessarily going to help your financial standings all that much, but it is a great way to score some free coffee. So here's exactly how it works. First, you have to make sure you qualify. So while it's currently available in these states, and more states are likely to be added soon, you're going to need a 700 or higher FICO score, which is going to be verified through Vantage 4.0 Equifax. And the app is going to ask you to confirm if you are a homeowner, to which you must say yes in order to qualify for this promotion. Now, once you've gone through all of those steps, here's exactly how to enroll. So you're going to need to go to the official link in the description of this video. You're going to need to sign up and download Aven Advisor on your phone. You're then going to link your bank account through Plaid. And then once you're in, the promotion restarts every 7 days based on your sign up date, which means if you sign up on a Sunday, your next claim is going to be ready the following Sunday. And on that Sunday, what you're going to get is the ability to choose either a $5 Starbucks gift card or a $5 Dunkin' gift card delivered directly through the app. And that's it. You follow those steps, and for the foreseeable future, you're going to receive $5 in free coffee every week straight to your phone just for using Aven Advisor. Now, beyond the free coffee, what makes Aven Advisor stand out? Aven Advisor also goes beyond your basic credit monitoring as it combines this credit tracking with real asset insights, which allows you to get a more full picture of your financial health, right? Like we mentioned earlier, you're seeing what your car is worth, you're seeing what your house is worth, you're seeing how your neighborhood value is fluctuating. And so all of this combined with your net worth, your debt, your expenses, your credit is going to give you a much fuller picture of your financial standing than pretty much any other app on the market right now. That's because most other apps are only going to show you your credit score or your net worth or manage your subscriptions, but Aven Advisor is the only one that's going to do all of those. And then basically the icing on the cake is you get free coffee every week. But that being said, what do Aven users actually think about the platform? Well, currently, Aven boasts a 4.5 out of 5-star rating on Trustpilot, which is really solid for a financial company. Most people, if they're going to go review a financial institution, are not in a great mood. And so the fact that people are going out of their way to give Aven high ratings, in my view, is a pretty positive signal. In terms of positive feedback, people are mostly citing the efficient application process for their home equity line of credit, as well as their responsive customer service. In terms of any negative reviews, some users have reported issues with the account management and some communication delays, but overall, Aven Advisor receives really high marks for its services with really minimal and isolated concerns. So all that being said, who's going to get the most value out of Aven Advisor? Really, if you're someone that just wants to have that full picture of your finances, in my view, this is one of the best places to get it. Personally, I'm not the type of person that wants to have to keep up with like 3 different spreadsheets, 2 different apps, and like all of these different tools just to figure out, how I'm doing financially and like get that picture and see how it tracks over time. And so Aven Advisor, for me, is just really efficient way to get all of that most important info in one spot, as opposed to like piecemeal tying together like all of these different places, like a spreadsheet to track my net worth, some other app to track my credit score, trying to estimate the value of my car based on like what other similar used vehicles are selling for. Like, I'd rather just have all that info in one place. And for me, that's what Aven Advisor is good for. So if you want to sign up, try it yourself. Again, it's completely free, and you get that free coffee as well when you use the link in the description below. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.